It's May 21st, 2026. We're here at the Lingle place, moving cows off of here today. But there's a new heifer that just had a calf here a couple hours ago. This morning when we were gathering the herd, she was looking like she was getting ready to lay down and have a calf somewhere, so we left her out here, didn't pull her up with everybody else, left a couple other cow-calf pairs with her. And I just now come back here to check on her, and she's got a new calf by her side and he's up nursing, so they're doing just fine. We'll leave them here today and come back and gather them up another day when the cow and the calf's ready to move. Another angle of him nursing.